Finish it off and sit down. Homework, everything is done?
Yes. 15 questions.
15 questions. You also? 10 questions. Why 10 only? Huh? 2?
Yeah, I did.
How many? I didn't count. Every day he says the same thing. Take out the book. You bring the book in. Daily she says the same thing. How many questions? 5, 6 sums. You have to do how many sums? Achit, 16. How many from where?
Simultaneous together and match.
Okay. Next one. Huh? How many questions? 5. Only 5 altogether. 5. Today is which day? Monday, no? Saturday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday.
And Monday.
You give sure you're not. Give me. Check what is. You, hello. I am saying from 4:30 I'm not here sitting here, there doing. How many times done? Why you want to have this homework not done, not practice form?
Right.
Huh?
Half I did at home and half I did here.
I am seeing you are at 5:30 also doing 5 7. Huh? 6:50. Huh? That time also doing. Now
Yes, sir, only 50 minutes I did.
why this time was not there at home?
Okay, actually, I forgot to put alarm.
You were supposed to do today. Expansion. You have from which chapter done?
I should explain the Pythagoras expansion.
These all questions are solved example. You did not see what is done. As it is solved example, copying only. We solved. Did you see the solution and copy? Not read yourself.
I did answer it.
I did. That was done already in the class. No. They said not seen and written. Huh? You, how many questions are done? 14 questions. Sit down. Exams are 13. Hello. Which one? Why? The questions are not enough. Exams are coming now. Then if you don't practice, then when they are going to, why did you do this very helpful? Did you listen? And Akansha,
Yes.
again going back. Why 9 questions?
I did 10.
10. How many are you supposed to do?
I did 10.
10. She also doesn't know how many even. And Sneha, how many are done?
6.
Who is talking? Antara is there? Me are talking. You're talking with me. Okay, take out the books, all of you. So which chapter we are doing? Antara is there. Antara is there. I can't hear you. Chalo. Okay, now let's Pythagoras now. Over.
No.
We have done indices also.
Yes. Longer the first time.
Logarithm understand.
Yes.
Pythagoras. Practice for the exams are approaching. We have done the exercise, first exercise. Second exercise already done. Second question we have done. We have done the 7th one now.
Yes.
All the parts are done now.
Yes.
Still look here, I am again and again telling those who have doubts, difficulties, you have to tell. Any clarifications are there? Any doubts or difficulties are there?
No.
No. No doubts, difficulties. And when the questions are doing over here, if you are unable to follow, you have to tell. See, not follow.
Yes.
Okay. Are you following?
Yes.
What are those things for now? Different groups, no? Daniel, Manas, Sri. Chalo. Question number 8. Pythagoras only one property only. With that one, we have to get this one. Question 8. Yes. Read the question 8.
In a triangle ABC, angle A is equal to 90 degrees, CA is equal to AB, and D is the point on AB produced. Prove that BC square minus BD square is equal to 2AB into AB.
So CA B D. This is all now.
Yes.
What is equal to what given? CA is equal to, that means these two are equal. Okay. So DC square minus DB square. No. DB square is equal to 2AB.
AB
Multiplication. Okay. This is the condition. So we have to apply the Pythagoras theorem. How many triangles are there to get Pythagoras theorem to apply? Two triangles. Which are two triangles?
AB and C.
Okay. So AB into AB. Okay. So we can over here you can see this one in triangle ABC. If you are going to apply, we can find out one of the thing is but there is no DC square option, right? AC square is not there. DC square is there. BD square is there. AB into AB, and these two are equal instead. So here we apply Pythagoras theorem. Means if I am going to take the triangle ABC, so what will you get? AB square plus AC square is equal to BC square. But BC is nowhere involved.
Yes.
So now, but you cannot add the triangle ACD. What will you get? AC square plus AD square is equal to CD square. So BC is there. BD is there. But this part is not. So we take the triangle and which one? Triangle. That is BD. BD square we have to get that. Okay, that's it. So what we do this one means, we can take the condition as this one. By consider the triangle ADC. Okay, then DC square is equal to what we get? AC square plus which one? AD square. Yes or no? You will try to get, or I will do it. Tell me. Are we identifying? Now, after that, we can see instead of AC, what we can replace. AC same as AB now. Therefore, DC square is equal to AB square plus AD square. Okay. We need AB into AB. AB into AB. So BD. Then this AB can. Did you read any question?
Yes.
Did you read the question anytime? No. Okay. So now we have to replace the value. Then only you will be able to get the answers. So you will be getting as either I can take it as AB. Could be as this one. AD can be replaced as what? AB plus AB square I will write over here plus BD. AB plus BD. Again AD BD whole square will come now. Yes. Just wait. Don't copy down. If we are not getting, we have to change it. This is AD. Then we will expand. Let's see. Wait. Expanding is of the form what? identity, a plus b whole square, what will you get?
AB square.
AB square plus BD square plus 2 times AB times BD. Okay, now this AB square and AB square is 2AB square. I need BD square left side now. So what you can do it? You bring it over here. So DC square minus BD square. I think it's plus 2 times AB times BD. We can take common. What is common over here?
AB.
2AB is left out. Okay, 2AB. What is left out now?
AB square.
No, no, from here AB and B. What is AB plus BD?
AB square.
So you got that? No, square made. Only AB, no? 2AB. Not the answer. You have to adjust in a proper way, you have to do it, okay? You have to analyze the question, that's only the thing, because if you take this triangle Pythagorean theorem, BC will come, but BC will now have to be eliminated. So, what happened? What happened? This is the only.
Yes. It is my question.
Okay, don't carry this on. Then just like the rebound. Those are not called out, tell me. Nehal, are you following? Janvi, okay? You are okay now? Last step not followed. This step till here you followed. From here, what is taken common? 2 is taken common. AB is taken common. From AB square, 1 AB is gone with AB. AB is gone B. This 2 and AB is gone left out. What is left out? AB plus BD, look at the figure. AB plus BD is AB.
No, we have written that AB plus BD is AB.
Well, that is here now. That I am telling you now how it is getting. So, understood. These are questions you know once again please do it. Otherwise, it will be difficult to do. Kansha, I am trying to understand. They call practice now. Which chapter you have done?
From Pythagoras and from this.
Practice is less, little more here practice. Madam, what happened today? All fine now? Somebody fought with you? Feeling hungry? Feeling hungry?
No.
Yeah, question number, okay now? Yeah, question number 9. Manya, read the, Manya, follow this one. 9 question, read.
Following figure, AB is perpendicular to C and B divides the ratio of so that
I'll remove it or not. 1:3. You know what is meaning of 1:3? 1/3. This is A or what?
A,
B,
B, D, C.
D. Okay. This is perpendicular now.
Yeah.
Okay. How many right triangles are here?
2.
2 right triangles. Which are 2 right triangles? Department geography followed. Is it triangle ABC is right triangle? We don't know, it's not given, so you cannot apply. Okay. Now next condition is given. BD ratio DC is 1:3. Look here. One more condition. 1:3 is that BD upon DC is 1/3. That is not the case to do. Because there is nothing. If you look at the what you have to prove?
2AC square.
2AC square. AB square plus BC.
2AB square.
2AB square plus BC square. Now look here, in this one, what we need to prove? There is no AD, there is no BD, there is no BC. If you are applying Pythagoras theorem in this triangle, we will get AD, you will get BD and AD. If I apply Pythagoras theorem over here, what will you get? You will get AD, you will get BC and AC. AD can be eliminated by from both the equations it equate. AD will go. Like find AD square, find AD square. Now, BD is to look here, BD is to DC is equal to how much? 1:3. Do you know what is the meaning? If you take the entire BC, contains how many parts? Total 4 parts. This is 1 part now. This is 3 parts. Therefore, this is 1 plus 3, 4 parts are there. Out of 4 parts, 1 part is how much? BD. And how many parts is DC? 3 parts. Therefore, see if it is BD is to DC is equal to 1:3 means I can write BD is equal to 1 out of 4 part of 1 out of 4 part of what is BC, 1/4 BC. And DC is equal to how much? 3 out of 4 part of BC. This step we have followed or not? Ratio if it is taking. Even if you are taking dividing it automatically, it will come same thing only. That is the condition. Remember this property always. Suppose all of you listening. Stop writing. If A is to B is equal to, let's say 3 is to 4. Look now, this is 1 and this is 3. Means total how many parts? 4. Out of what BD contains how many parts? 1. Out of how many parts? 4 of BC. Yes or no? DC contains how many parts? 3. Out of total how many parts? 4 of full. Understood? Now, suppose it is given A is to B is equal to 3 is to 4. A contains how many parts? 3 out of how many parts? 4. 3 out of 7. A is equal to 3 out of 7 of the full means A plus B. B is equal to how much? 4 out of 7 times A plus B. Are you followed now how it is doing? Are you followed? Ratio 3:4 means correspondingly that is the one dividing into this part. Now, this format or every number is that way. Now look, I'm going to take the triangles. So first I consider the triangle ADB. By Pythagoras theorem, what we get? AD square plus BD square is equal to AB square. At least one of the question you have to write by reason in this one angle ADB is equal to how much? 90 degree. This reason is Pythagoras theorem. Okay, then next from here I will get what is AD square. So what is AD square here? Is equal to AB square minus BD square. Condition number 1. All of you stop writing and listen. Next is in triangle ADC. Same Pythagoras theorem apply. We will get AD square plus BC square is equal to AC square. Stop writing and listen. That is AD square is equal to AC square minus BC square. This part also followed. These two conditions followed. Tell yes or no?
Yes.
Not followed, tell. Look, Pythagoras theorem directly applied. This ratio is done and this one. Now check from 1 and 2 what we get. From 1 and 2 what we get? AB square minus PD square is equal to AC square minus BC square. Are you followed? LHS is same, RHS is equated. Ranveer, are you following? Yes or no? Now look, what we need to get AC square. So I'll keep AC square on the other side. No, listen, they simply just copy. Can you complete this part? So AC square, I will write AB square minus BD square plus BC square is equal to AC square. This much is clear, all of you. I just shifted this to here. Now we can substitute. This can be BD can be replaced as how much?
1/4.
So we will write that is AB square minus 1 by 4 BC, the whole square, plus what will be DC? 3 by 4 BC, the whole square, which is equal to AC square. I just replace. Now see AB square minus 1 by 4 whole square is how much? 1 by 16 BC square plus 3 by 4 whole square is how much? 9 by 16 BC square is equal to AC square. Minus 1 by 16 BC square plus 9 by 16 BC square is how much? Same thing now, these two. Minus 1 by 16 plus 9. Minus or plus? Minus or plus? How minus is coming? Minus 1 by 16 and plus minus 1 by 16 plus 9 by 16 is how much? 8 upon 16. So 8 by 16 BC square is equal to AC square. 8 by 16 is how much? That is AB square. We are reaching the answer. Plus 1 by 2 BC square is equal to AC square. What you do means multiply throughout by 2. So that is from 2AB square plus BC square is equal to 2AC. Check the steps. If you have not followed any of the steps, tell me. The ratio I explained to you, how it is getting. You want to get the answer now. Fraction has to be removed now. What do you have to do? Answer. Fraction was not there now, so multiplied by 2. Or LCM and cross multiply was the same thing. Check all the steps. Whichever not followed, you tell me I'll do it. We have to redo these sums. It's not that easy. Complicated one. Check the step. Anywhere if you have problem, tell me. Towards the end, the questions are little complicated ones. Proofs coming. Yes. Sakshi, Sakshi or Sakshi? What?
Dance one.
Snehal,
Dance one.
done. Have you followed?
Yes.
If I wrap the board answer, I'll ask you people to do. You can do it yourself.
Yes.
How many we can do? 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. Yeah. Yeah. Archit, no. Archit, you have missed your hand. Archit, 6 people. I'm not. This one. You are facing problem. Unable to do. Student. Okay. Manya, okay. This chapter is done in the school.
No, not even started.
Very bad.
Very bad.
Is the last chapter now? Semester. Okay. Whichever chapters problem facing, tell me this one's are facing difficulty. Then we will discuss the question. But you have to practice. Don't think that I did over here, we did the work is done. You have to practice, then only you'll be positioned to do. Question number 10. Okay. Read the.
In acute angle triangle,
In acute angle triangle.
ABC, AD is median and
What are you?
negative triangle.
Why people are laughing and telling you the thing? Gauri, I'll put in the last page now. AD is the median. Do you know what I mean by median? Vertex to the midpoint. And the second one? Altitude. Now, what is the altitude?
A.
A is the altitude. So altitude means 90 degrees. So D is the midpoint. D is the midpoint means BD and DC both are equal. Both are equal to half of our what? BC. Remember. Is completed?
Yes.
Here this is fast. If people are sitting and talking only, all others need to completed. Yeah, I'll explain because these are different typical questions. Done.
Yes.
So first we have to prove what? AC square.
Equal to AD square plus BC into DE plus 1/4 BC square.
Okay, first condition is then we can write BD is equal to DC is equal to half BC. Yes or no? There is no
Yes.
problem, yes or no? Now, since AC square, which are the right triangles over here?
AEB and AEB.
AEB and AEC. Since AC square means which triangle will take? There are three. There is one more triangle we have. AED also. So since AC square means which triangle we take? AEC. So I take triangle AEC. In triangle AEC. So we can apply Pythagoras theorem.
Yes.
So AC square is equal to AE square plus EC square. That means all of you follow.
Yes.
Listen here. It's again a little complicated. EC, look at EC. EC can be written as what?
Half of BC.
Who's it the half of DC?
I did.
Look over here. DC is half of BC, no, EC is half of BC. New rule is followed. EC is not half. EC can be written as. Very good. ED plus DC. Yes or no? EC is equal to addition. This is not. This is half of BC. But you have to see what is given over there. Okay. Now, so EC can be written as. AE square plus BE plus BC the whole square. Are you followed this one now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this I am going to expand. Expand and tell. A plus B whole square, tell. Nobody square.
AD square.
E square plus DC square plus 2 times DE times DC. This measure all of you followed? Now, look here. It's not there. Look here. There are more things to do. If I take AE square plus DE square, check what is AE square plus DE square.
AD square.
Is it AD square?
Yes.
Look at the figure.
Of course.
AE square plus, there is a Pythagoras theorem. Therefore, I can write AC square is equal to AD square plus DC is half BC, the whole square, plus DE times, again it is half BC. Now, reason over here, first reason is AE square plus BE square is equal to AD square, and next one is BC is equal to half BC. These are the two reasons we have to raise. That is, AC square is equal to AD square plus half whole square is 1 by 4 BC square. These two are cancelled, plus DE into BC. Is it the answer we have to get checked? This is the first answer.
Yes.
The first part. Because
So,
no. This is something different.
AD square.
D into
Yes.
this is the first answer you need to get now.
Yes.
Now we'll take which triangle now?
Sir,
You will do yourself. I'm going to do. Now we have to take the triangle AEB. We will apply Pythagoras theorem. Do it yourself. AB square is equal to AE square plus BE square. One more step I'll write. AE square plus BE can be written as, let's see who will tell. BE can be written as
half this. Half,
how many-
half BD.
how B is the midpoint.
No.
Then you decide. B is equal to BC. How? BD minus DE. Yes or no? Check this one. Check BD minus DE is equal to BE. Now expand and do it. Answer will get automatically. Check what is it. What you are looking, they are proving some. What is saying behind? The answer is there. Checking what? Uttara. Uttara is listening.
Yes, sir.
Oh,
Can you hear me?
yes, I can hear you. Kansha, problem?
Done.
None. Ah,
No.
B,
No.
BC is done.
Done.
Simplify,
Done, sir.
expand, simplification. Expand now, in the MRP of the na. Who got the answer? There are problems out there. Look here, not getting, I will explain. This much you got it. Look, therefore, AB square is equal to AE square plus, this is A minus B all square. What is A minus B all square? A square plus B square minus 2AB, BD multiplied by D. This much all of you followed. Now, I will rearrange, bring the D here, that is AD square plus BE square plus BD square. If you want to write BD directly, you can write plus half BC, the whole square, minus 2 times half BC times BD. You can check the steps. That is AB square is equal to This is together is AD square plus half whole square is 1 by 4 BC square. Half is cancelled minus BC into DB. This is the answer of the second one. We check carefully. That is all. I have not done anything. You think similar one only. 1, 2, 3, 4. This.
No, sir, I'm not getting after this step.
After this step.
No.
After this step. Arey, what is the A square plus D square? Look at the figure. We are done now.
AD square.
So the same thing only now. A square plus B square is equal to AD square. Last question also done now. So the half whole square is, what is square of 1 by 2? What is square?
What's the code? Okay.
What is square of 1 by 2?
1
1 upon 4. BC square. These two and 2 cut left out. So okay, I should go. Happy now?
Yes.
Check. Any other step for your problem? Tell me. You got the second one also. Now what do you have to get?
We are
Third
just
one.
adding.
Just add 1 and 2, see what you are getting. Hello, adding 1 and 2, you have to write and show. 1 plus 2. What are you getting? Check. Right add. First one add, second one right and add. And we completed this match. Then add 1 and 2. See, AC square plus AB square is equal to, you can see how many, if you look carefully, AD square and AD square is how many AD square? 2 AD square. Plus, you can see 1 by 4 BC square plus 1 by 4 BC square. 2 into 1 by 4 BC square. Then this is plus D into BC and minus D into BC. Plus minus what will happen? Minus plus minus cancel now. One nothing is left now. Therefore answer this is equal 2 AD square plus half BC square. This only you have to prove or something else?
This one.
Carefully do it, it's all not that too complicated. When you do it first time, it's complicated. After that, it's not that good. Hello, you are not followed. 1 and 2 add. 1 is this one, AC square plus AB square. AD square plus AD square, 2 AD square. 1 by 4 BC square plus 1 by 4 BC square. 2 times 1 by 4 BC square. This is plus BC into DE. This is minus BC into DE. Plus minus cut. Cut.
Can you stop it?
You are the one who always switch on DC from DC. No. There is another branding also. Okay.
Yes.
Then follow. Any problem in the tell? Oi, Arnav, Archit. Your friend Shivesh comes nowadays. You are there today? No.
You are the yesterday.
You are there yesterday. Yesterday was holiday.
No.
Actually, yesterday you had
That lecture.
bio class. So, next one. Read the next question.
Triangles of numbers intersect each other at point O. Prove that OA square plus OC square is equals to 2AD square minus BB square upon U.
Do you know what is a rhombus?
Yes.
The rhombus. All the sides are equal. Then triangles are intersect at 90 and one more. Bisect at 90 Bisect means you want to do equal parts. Okay. So It is coming O is this C square. Hello,
Yes.
is completed now?
Yes.
Answer completed?
Yes.
Nail completed? So A, B, C, D is a rhombus. O is given. The condition is all sides are equal and diagonals
Into bisect.
ED. OA and OC also equal. OA square plus OC square. Are okay now?
Yes.
Sure. I will be on this way. Things. Sure. What is happening?
Yes.
No, some problem. No. How many right? All right triangles are there now? Four right triangles. Since AD we need in triangle. Which one? AOD. We can take OA square plus OD square is equal to AD square. Okay. Condition one. Reason you have to write Pythagoras theorem this 90 degree. All right. Before writing this one, right? Since ABCD is there, that property right in the beginning. Since ABCD is a rhombus, ABCD is a rhombus. What is it? All sides are equal. One more property. And diagonals are diagonals bisect each other at 90 degree. Okay. Okay. Now, next is this much is written. Yes. Next, so I can take triangle COD also, no? It's OC also need, no? Either B or COD or one more. In triangle COD. So what do you get? OC square plus OD square is equal to CD square. Condition 2. Okay or not? Okay. You're sleeping out, crying out, unwell, all fine now. What happened then we? Now, one and to add. And what did we get? OA square plus OD square plus OC square plus OD square is equal to AD square plus CD square. This girl ran away.
Yes.
This much also followed. Now, accordingly, we need what all things we need? OA square we need, OC square we need, OD square plus OD square is what? 2OD square is equal to CD also can write as AD.
Yes.
Make you can write CD is equal to AD. Because all sides are equal now. Where there is no. Now, one more. OA square plus OC square that is required. OD can be written as half BD. 2 times half BD whole square. Can you write?
Yes.
For is equal to who is the T? Now look, can you cut the 2 and 2?
Yes.
One is square, one is outside the square, so cut to 1 2.
It will be 1/2 afterward.
Also use so.
Afterward, it will be 1.
So 2 times 1/4 BD square is equal to 2 AD square. Now you can cut. Now, is it the answer? Is it the answer?
No.
What is the answer?
OA square
OA square plus OC square. Then
is equal to
is equal to 2 AD square. Then
Minus BD square.
minus this square, that's it, no? BD square upon 2. Yes or no? This is 1 BD square by 2 now. That is shifted to other side. That is the answer.
Easy.
Not that too complicated to like the other one. This is accordingly changed. In sometimes OA also you can write half AC. OC, okay, that also depends upon. One girl is laughing and smiling. That's why. Pythagoras theorem done. We have done a lot of questions of Pythagoras theorem. Again, the proof only, proof only. You have to practice the proof. There are common questions, miscellaneous questions. I can see important questions are there. You need to practice. Then you will come to know the difficulties. Mainly those who have in immediately exam. You both have immediately in the exam. You also have this exam, no?
It's a revision test, but Pythagoras will be the no, it has to be. I don't know, that's in the 10 marks test.
And then
Optional. Not given the data.
okay, that's what the chapters are done. In the so she took the next chapter and started solving those. Inequality we had to do it. Inequality so look here, this is followed practice. You all have inequalities in your exam?
Yes, everything.
No, you don't have. No, the next exam. Your questions are over now. On the topic we are done. Okay. How many chapters in your school it is done to so far?
Reaction, compound interest chapters, expansion, factorization, simultaneous, isosceles, triangles, midpoint, and finals.
That's all. The long way. The other part is not done anything. Stabbing, median, and not nothing. Status.
in our class Pythagoras as well as doing.
A lot of time to complete this one. They all of them. Okay. So this is done. Done. Okay. Completed. So this is the one we done. Now we are going to do inequalities. What about inequalities?
No.
See 5, 10. Minus 2. Minus 5. What symbol should we put?
Pi is smaller than 2. Less
Into?
than
What symbol should we put?
Who is greater?
minus 2 is
Minus
greater.
2
Minus 2 and then minus.
What are these called? They are called inequalities. Things are which not equal means inequality. How do you read this one?
5 is
5 is less than. Okay. This is called less than. This is minus 2 greater than. First thing, chapter heading written?
No.
No, right? Chapter heading right? Because always most of the people read opposite line. Tell me, what is this one? What is this symbol?
Is 10 greater than 5.
How do you read 5 10?
5 more than
5 less than. So remember this inequality is what? Less than. This is what? Greater than. Inequalities. Okay. Yeah. Okay. There. Written inequality. Then right below right. Below right less than. Which one is? Huh? Greater than. Less than and greater than. Okay, written. Remember these two symbols. Next condition. One more, listen carefully. What is symbol will come? Minus 5 is greater than minus 4. This much okay. Divide by minus 1. Divide by minus 5 and 10. Means cancellation. Do you remember in the inequalities? Minus x is equal to minus 5. Therefore, x is equal to 5. You can divide by. Whereas in inequality, when you divide by negative, the inequality. What is it? Then when you divide by negative, inequality will be opposite will come. And same way multiplication also. Suppose if I multiply, look here, if it is coming as 2 less than, let's say, 5. Multiply by minus 2. What will come? Minus 2 into 2, minus 4. Minus 2 into 5, minus 10. What will happen?
-4 is
So that is the first inequality property. If you divide or multiply by negative quantities, inequality will be changing, reversed. Less than will come to greater than. This everything go. Break time go next time also. Okay. Okay, less than will change to greater than changes to less than. Okay, now this property is clear. Now we have two theorems mainly, 3 properties. With that only this entire chapter is going on. Proof and all, it's not. Now before going to that, now listen. The triangle. Then what is the angles of property?
180 degree all. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180.
Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Sachi, what are the sides of this triangle?
A, no,
A, B, B, C.
You will know.
A, B, B, C.
See, is it AB and BA are same thing? Is it AB and BA are same thing?
Yes.
Yes. BC and CB are same thing. So there is no confusion. CA or AC, you can write it. Okay, understood. Akansha, what are the angles of this triangle? Tell the full name of angle A.
ABC.
Angle A is angle ABC.
Angle BAC.
Angle BAC. Vertex should come in the middle. CAB or angle A. Understood? This is called which angle? Angle B also you can tell with one vertex, one angle or angle ABC. Angle you should know how to tell. Okay. Now next is Archit. What is the side opposite to angle A? BC. All of you are listening. What is side opposite to angle B? AC. Side opposite to angle C? AB. Next. Angle sides are denoted by how many letters? 2 letters. Angles are denoted by either 1 or 3 letters. Be careful. Now, what is the angle opposite to side AB?
C.
Angle C. Which letter is missing? That one. Which is the angle opposite to side BC?
A.
A. So angle opposite to side AC.
B.
That which is followed. This much is clear. Okay, then right. Chapter heading written. What is the chapter heading? First year. What? Snail made a new theory problem. Chapter. What she said? Right. Inequalities written.
Yes.
Okay. The first theorem 1. Good. Theorem 1. If two sides of a triangle are unequal, if two sides of a triangle are unequal, okay? When two sides of a triangle are unequal, then the greater side has the greater angle opposite to it. Greater side has the greater angle opposite to it. Written all of you?
Yes.
No. Theorem 2. Theorem 2. If two angles of a triangle are unequal, two angles of a triangle are unequal, then the greater angle has the greater side opposite to it. Greater angle has the greater side opposite to it. Written? Okay. Theorem 3. Okay. Of all lines that can be drawn to a given line from a given point. All lines that can be drawn from a given line to a given line from a given point. To a given line from a given point. The perpendicular is the shortest. The perpendicular is the shortest. Written? Yes. I'll explain all these things. Property 1. These are the theorems, 3 theorems. Okay. Property 1. Sum of any two sides of a triangle. Sum of any two sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side. Sum of any two sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side. Written? Yes. Property 2. Difference between any two sides of a triangle. Difference between any two sides of a triangle is always less than the third side. Between any two sides of a triangle is always less than the third side. All 5 properties, I don't have time now. Next class we will discuss. Okay, we discuss and then after that we. So just do the homework part. These properties we will discuss in the next class. And
Yeah, thank you. Yeah. Stop, take it with her. The blue balance take it. Yeah. It's not here, I'm familiar. Oh, what's your name?
very bad. It's only for us. Ah. Yeah, I'm not.